Guys, it came. It is like 11 p.m. at night, and I just got off of work, and I found this in front of my door. And this is my newest book. My apartment is trashed. Go ahead and just ignore that. Here's my newest book. We'll see if it turned out okay. Today's been kind of a rough day, so this could go either way. This could either be the thing that like makes my day better, or this could be the thing that just continues my bad day. But the reason I'm nervous is because usually I will pre-order a book to look at it before I send it to, bookstores. But this time I didn't do that. I just published it. So now I'm really nervous that I sent like terrible books to the bookstore. I can see the top, but I can't see the cover yet. So let's look at this together. It's still recording, right? Okay. Oh, it looks good, actually. Oh, I'm scared of the back. Does the back look like... Oh, no, that's my eyes. Okay, my eyes are blurry, I think. I hope. Yes. Okay. Big font. It doesn't need to be that big. That's my fault. But, the side looks amazing. Oh, I should show you this. This is my book. I got so into it. Oh, this is my new book. Love and Other Broken Things. This is my first poetry book. Look at the side. Look at the side. The side is actually my new favorite thing. I added the star myself. Actually, I had someone design this for me. NSKVSKY is the username on Fiverr, so she did a fantastic job. Oh, the inside looks perfect. Perfect. Okay. I don't know. Oh, even the page numbers came out good. You do not know how long it took me to get the exact right page numbers. Oh my God. Because like I did all of the formatting in Microsoft Word, and so in order to not have page numbers on like the first few pages, you have to do like this whole spiel, and you have to basically separate the footers from each other. And it was fine after I figured it out. After I figured out what all of the page numbers was, like I could finally get it in the page that I wanted. But it took me like 3 or 4 days just to do the page numbers correctly. And so I kind of wish I started it on the next page, but I had so much trouble that I just gave up. And the font came out good. I printed off a few fonts from the print cafe in Korea, because nobody really has printers in Korea because there's no space. Or maybe they do and they have more space than me, but I don't have a printer, and a lot of students don't have a printer, and I live next to universities, so there's printers, and I printed off different fonts, and I don't know how I feel about the back font, but at least it's not blurry. At least it stands out. It's just a little big. But you know what? It's not even a bad thing. It's not even a bad thing. Oh, and it's a little scratched because it was raining. But I got a stack. Look at these. Oh, they look so good on the side. A little star. Oh, so this is great. So this is my first poetry book. It is very dark. It is about obsessive, one-sided, idolatrous love. And so it's about idolatry. It's about becoming the most demonic self because of your love not being returned, and then finding the pathway to light again. And so like it has like an arc to it. It's not just, teenage angst, although there is a lot of that in it, but it's more like gothic because my soul is very gothic, and so my clothes are not, but my soul is. And so I'll read the back to you. It's the poem that creates the title. So, one day I awoke to realize there was no you and me. There had only been my one-sided obsession, my declaration of love that had never been returned. My heart was a trinket on your shelf, nothing more. And so the temple of glass I had made to worship you shattered. the shards dissolving into sand. Those fragments, now turned to dust, were everything I was made of. My desires and my beliefs, my heart, my soul, and dreams, my light, my lust, my love, and other broken things. Oh, the ISBN looks good too. So, yeah, so, oh my gosh, just 160 pages of dark poetry that I am really proud of, actually. This is probably one of my best works. I say that every time I publish something, though, which is a good thing. It's a good indication I'm going in the right direction, and I'm building on my skills as a writer. This is very different from my romantic comedies that I have written before. So I hope you enjoy it. Go get a copy on Amazon. I am still working on putting it in bookstores. Especially, I'm trying to work really hard into getting it into Kyobo, the Korean bookstores here, because there's a big poetry market in Korea. So my major dream is to sell enough of these so I can have it translated into Korean and then sell it in Korea. So maybe I'll put up a few videos of me reading some of these, but if you check out my Instagram, I keep some poems on there, and I keep some poems on my Tumblr. What is my Tumblr? Fire Tiger Writer, I think, is my Tumblr. So yeah, this is exciting. So yeah, go pick it up on Amazon. Love and Other Broken Things by Deidre DeWitt, and I'll see you next time.